Hello and welcome to On the Hook Crochet, where we find out what's on the hook. And this has been on my hook this week, the Walk Through the Meadows cowl by Crystal at Bag a Day Crochet. I finished my cowl. It's out of the Brown Amazing yarn by Lion Brand, and I really love the way it turned out. It's a beautiful brown, several shades of brown, and I put a special button on it. I actually found the button at Walmart, and I don't always find a lot of things I like at Walmart. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but the button that I found is quite beautiful, and it matches the brown cowl, so I thought I would put it on this. And if you make these for Christmas presents, you will find that the recipient would just really love this cowl. This is just gorgeous. It's made of amazing yarn and it has a little bit of wool in it, so it's kind of nice. It has a nice drape to it, so I wanted to show you that. I've been traveling this week and I've been doing some crochet. I finished my cowl, and I also have been working on the sweater that I talked about in my last video. This is the cowl made from Landscapes yarn by Lion Brand. Actually, it's not by Lion Brand. I'm sorry. It's Landscapes yarn by James Brett. And it was a pattern that wasn't the easiest pattern to follow, so I'm kind of ad-libbing, but I've gotten quite a bit done. I'm down to about 3 inches below the sleeve, and it's turning out very beautifully. So I will keep working on that, and we'll see what happens with it. Now, another thing that I got before I left on my trip was this package that came for me from Crochet Surprise, and I really like it. It's a beautiful box, and I know that y'all who actually get this are thrilled with them. Every month they come, and it's so fun to get things in the mail. So I showed this to my husband, who is the director of marketing at a large company, and he said that the marketing here is really on target. We looked through the whole box and he was very impressed with that. So Sarah and Doug, you can take that to the bank. Anyway, inside is wrapped up really pretty in white tissue paper, and inside is a card with the pattern on it. I'm sorry about the light here. I'm having trouble with my light. So the scented bag, and it has a picture of the bag on here and the pattern written on a card. So it's much easier to manage than just a piece of paper, which is usually what I have, you know, just a piece of paper. This is so nice. It's a nice touch. It's got a beautiful front on it, and inside is the pattern for the scented bag. And then on the back is actually a description of the tea that's inside the box, and a little bit about the tea and how to make the tea. So I thought that was a nice touch. Really nice card that came in the box. And a ball of Paton Grace, which is a beautiful cotton yarn. A very nice choice, Sarah and Doug. Very nice choice. I love Patent Grace. I've made lots of things from it, and it's a high quality yarn. And there was a ball of that in the box. And so while I was traveling, I had some time to crochet, so I crocheted the bag. And look how cute that turned out. It's so beautiful. It has little flowers here on the ends of the ties. It's tied up here at the top, and it looks so beautiful. It's got a kind of a lace section here and up here. And a beginning crocheter could do this without any problem. It's a really nice pattern. And in the way I usually make a pattern 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, I made it again. And I made it out of the cotton on denim from James Brett. And the blue color turned out really nice. Look how beautiful that is. And when you give this as a present, the people really appreciate that, whoever receives your present. That is a great thing. And inside, they sent a bag of potpourri that you can put inside the bag. And they sent actually 2 bags, so I made two bags to put the potpourri in. And the the cotton yarn really crochets up very nicely. So you might try this. This is really nice pattern. I really like it. It's beautiful. And inside was also a bag of tea from Jasmine Pearl, and it's the Cocoa Rouge. And I actually made a cup of this today, and it was really, really good. I was so inspired, so I went to the store and I bought a tea infuser because I usually drink tea, if I drink it at all, out of a bag, well, using a bag. And I thought, well, I'll try that loose tea because that's how it came. It didn't come in a bag. So I bought that infuser, and then I also bought a coffee cup, or a tea cup, I guess you could call it, with an infuser inside, and it has a top that comes off, and you can put it on top of your cup to keep your tea warm. So I thought that was a really nice touch. I drank a cup, I drank the whole thing. It was really, really good. I so appreciate all the things that are in this box. And there were some other things in here, some little magnets. I don't see them right now. I've lost them. Oh, here they are. Some magnets that you can put on your refrigerator or around your workspace, and they have things they have to do with crochet. It says too many whips to count. I thought that was really cute. Too many whips to count. That's me. I have too many whips to count. So anyway, I just wanted to share those things with you and ask you to come back and subscribe to my channel. Maybe give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll be back soon with some other things to find out what's on the hook.